Hey, what's up guys? First video of touring, so the plan for this one is to go in every time I do a mistake between both Nagano. So the plan is to go in Nagano. As you can see, I will go with this big not cool case, but we can put a lot of stuff inside and traveling, because I will go for better days. So it's not cool, but it's help. Easy to set. Really easy to set. So you just change from a nice H2 sports bike and you switch to touring H2 bike. Ready to start your adult life. It's a little bit my image of a touring bike. Like a papa bike. Or you're single and you go on a trip alone. So it looks like this. The bag on the back, the case on the side. And ready to go. It's time to leave now. I think so we will have 4 hours of road until I arrive in Nagano. I will just take the highway. Nice weather today also. But let's have a quick stop to put some air on the tire. Important before traveling. The same on your country, but the good point in Japan is you can fill your tire of air for free. I know in some country you have to pay to put air and use air, but make you pay to add some air on your tire. Not very safe for yourself and for the other people, because if you're lazy to pay and just ride or drive like this, everything can happen, accident can happen, we never know. I think this have to be free. ありがとうございます。ありがとうございました。Alright, so we start for a few days of road tripping. First stop, a bell tower top of the mountain. Then a sci-fi style drone show, lighting up on the sky. Makes sense, yeah, the sky, yeah, drone. Back to the traditional vibe with quiet temple. What else? A hidden JAXA space based on the mountain to make some photo shoots. And finally, the best. The magical forest, the forest of Mononoke, before heading back to Tokyo. So let's start. Here, I recommend finding a cabin or lodge in the forest. It's really nice to wake up with the sound of bird, nature, really quiet mood. From here, you can easily reach the city or go deeper into nature. If you want the address of the place I'm staying, feel free to ask me in a comment or send me a message on Instagram. Just 30 minutes of riding and everything feels really different. Now we are on Venus Line. It's really famous road for people who love driving. The forest totally disappears, the air getting cooler, the road start to climbing slowly. The mountain close to us reach around 1,600 meters, so pretty high, I think. It's a perfect kind of road, nice curve, almost no traffic, and the view just keep opening up more and more. Here we arrive to the bell tower of Kirigamine. It's called Mushoto. It was built in 1939 to guide hikers with its song. The local legend say, if you ring the bell, good luck will come to you. So let's try. Let's see. A quick stop because I'm on the middle of nowhere, or not exactly middle of nowhere, middle of a mountain. You have a look. And welcome to Shirakoma Forest. It's about 1 to 2 kilometers of walking in untouched primeval forest with over 485 species of moss covering the ground, the trees, the rocks. Basically, it's like a carpet of moss. It's pretty famous, maybe, because it's really like Ghibli movie. Maybe Ghibli studio was inspired about this forest to make some anime, not sure. This night, the city of Saku is celebrating its 20th anniversary. Drone dancing in the sky with a music.
even a giant koi fish appear. It's the official symbol of Saku. It's crazy how a small country town can pull off something this high-tech. I came across this small hidden temple, Teishōji. Quite peaceful in the middle of the nature. Perfect spot to reset between two rides. I also notify this whole wooden column. Apparently it's called a shimbashira. Pretty rare to see one like this in this kind of small countryside temple, but I like. Okay. Hey guys, back to Tokyo. This was my first long video. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, please like, comment and subscribe. Subscribe will really help me to keep going. Let me know what you would like to see next in comment. I have different kind of content on Instagram and TikTok, so you can follow me also. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.